There are a lot of times when we want to build a reverse index from a data set to allow for some faster searching. If you've ever read some sort of reference book, you probably used an index. So here's a book I like, A Brief History of Time. And the subtitle is From the Big Bang to Black Holes. So let's say I just want to read about the Big Bang. Well, one thing I could do is crawl through all of this text and look for the words Big Bang. But of course, I'm not going to do that. Somebody's already gone through, put in the work in advance to create an index for me. So at the end of the book, I can just go to the index, and on the first page we have B, and I see Big Bang. And these are all the pages where I can find that. And of course, you can do the same thing with the web, except instead of numbers, we'd have links to web pages. This is a common problem, and so there's a design pattern to solve it. Why don't you take a shot at building your own inverted index?